Good morning, Parkview! I hope everybody's having a great morning. We're really excited to be having our second virtual Peace Assembly, and you get to be with your Peace Buddies. Have you greeted your Peace Buddy this morning? Maybe you can turn and give them another wave or a peace as you say good morning to them. Now you can watch and listen to the messages of peace. Just a reminder, as you listen, please keep your ears open and your voice off so that you can hear the messages of peace. And of course, if there's times for you to participate vocally, do that appropriately and respectfully. Have a great time together.
Good morning, Parkview. Our commitment to equity and quality education is reinforced by our equity vision, which states that Roseville Area Schools is committed to ensuring an equitable and respectful learning environment for every student, family, and staff member, regardless of race, gender, gender identity, sexual orientation, socioeconomic status, ability, home or first language, religion, national origin, age, and physical appearance. Have a great assembly!
As part of this assembly, we would like to share that the land Parkview is on was originally cared for and stewarded by the Dakota people before they were removed by force. We recognize history has tried to erase and exclude Dakota voices. To remember this history and honor Dakota people who live in Minnesota now, we commit to care for this land and our community together in peace.
P is for peace.
Peace is learning to be kind to others and work together and resolve conflicts to make our world a better place.
E is for equity.
Equity is understanding our differences to ensure that everyone gets what they need to be successful.
A is for action.
Action is using our talents and resources to influence positive changes in our world.
C is for community.
Community is creating and keeping healthy, respectful relationships with our family, friends, and neighbors.
E is for environment.
Environment is making responsible choices to conserve Earth's resources and protect our planet.
In my home, school, and community, I pledge to live peacefully with others, to share, to care, to listen, to help. Peace begins with me. Nhà hao cụ chế con tờ thia lưu dê rõ, cụ cho lưu tia yo nó có một cái sĩ hào sinh đó lưu tử. Sĩ phai, sĩ tu, sĩ mông, thia, sĩ ba, cái sĩ hào sinh yo bin đào cụ.
In my home, in my school, and in my community, I pledge to live peacefully with others, to share, to care, to listen, to help. Peace begins.
Peace begins with me. Wow, it's so wonderful that we can share these messages of peace together. In a moment, your teacher will give you instructions about how you are going to be exiting your classroom or waiting for others to return. Before you leave your peace partners, make sure you give them a handshake, a high five, a fist bump, or at least wave goodbye to them so that you remember who they are. It's so great that we have these peace partners in different grade levels so that as you see each other around school, you can greet each other, say hi, and feel those connections across many different grades. Please remember to walk peacefully and respectfully back to your classroom or wait patiently while the rest of your class returns to your space. Have a great day, Parkview. Bye.